Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Can brown adipose tissue increase exercise performance? According to a new research, brown fat may help protect against health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. The findings are published in journal Aging. Researchers evaluated the role of brown adipose tissue, BAT, a special type of fat that burns calories to generate heat, in improving exercise endurance and supporting healthy aging. While most studies have shown that exercise regulates brown adipose tissue activation and increases brown adipose tissue's density, relatively few have demonstrated that brown adipose tissue itself can directly increase exercise performance. One notable example involves RGS14 knockout mice, a genetically modified group known for their longer lifespan. When brown adipose tissue from these mice was transplanted into regular mice, the recipients displayed improved running endurance just 3 days after the transplant. In contrast, brown fat from non-modified mice took much longer to produce similar improvements. Clinical trial shows benefits of elderberry juice in weight management. Elderberry juice may be a potent tool for weight management and enhancing metabolic health, according to a recent Washington State University-led study. A clinical trial published in the journal Nutrients found that drinking 12 ounces of elderberry juice daily for a week causes positive changes in the gut microbiome and improves glucose tolerance and fat oxidation. The researchers tested the effects of elderberry on metabolic health in a randomized placebo-controlled clinical trial with 18 overweight adults. Participants consumed either elderberry juice or a placebo with similar coloring and taste, especially designed by North Carolina State University's Food Innovation Lab, while maintaining a standardized diet. Clinical testing following the intervention showed that participants who consumed elderberry juice had significantly increased amounts of beneficial gut bacteria, including firmicutes and actinobacteria, and decreased amounts of harmful bacteria such as Bacteroidetes. Research unveils how fiber byproducts influence gene expression that may have anti-cancer actions. A new study published in Nature Metabolism identified the direct epigenetic effects of two common byproducts of fiber digestion and found that some of the alterations in gene expression had anti-cancer actions. When we eat fiber, the gut microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids. These compounds are more than just an energy source for us. They have long been suspected to indirectly affect gene function. The researchers traced how the two most common short-chain fatty acids in our gut, propionate and butyrate, altered gene expression in healthy human cells, in treated and untreated human colon cancer cells, and in mouse intestines. They found direct epigenetic changes at specific genes that regulate cell proliferation and differentiation, along with apoptosis or pre-programmed cell death processes, all of which are important for disrupting or controlling the unchecked cell growth that underlies cancer. Men are 3 times more likely to die from brain injury, study finds. A new analysis of US mortality data reveals the disproportionate impact of traumatic brain injuries on older adults, males, and certain racial and ethnic groups. The study published in the peer-reviewed journal Brain Injury provides a comprehensive analysis of traumatic brain injuries related deaths across different population groups across the US in 2021. The findings indicate that suicides remain the most common cause of traumatic brain injury related deaths, followed by unintentional falls, and specific groups are disproportionately affected by these tragedies. Men in particular were found to be most likely to die from a traumatic brain injury, more than 3 times the rate of women. The reasons observed were multifactorial and could reflect differences in injury severity following a fall or motor vehicle crash, to the interaction of sex and age, with traumatic brain injury outcomes in men worsening with age, while postmenopausal women fare better than men of similar age. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.